Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website quilia.co.zw. I'm on a home page and I love the featured hero image. Would be great to show one of your products here. I understand that you're selling hair extensions. However, this girl looks like she's wearing real hair. I'm not an expert. She could be wearing hair extensions or a hair wig. However, it would be great to optimize this image with a tagline such as shop our curly hair, shop our curly wigs, and then obviously add call to action such as shop now, link into your products or the collections page. It is much better for the conversion rate. However, you've got very good selection, plenty of products on the home page, nicely optimized titles, which is perfect. Very nicely organized homepage. It would be great to optimize this kind of image as well with a tagline and call to action, as I mentioned in the beginning. Okay, so blog post, no, not blog post, the hairstyling product, okay, and the footer navigation. So this is really nicely organized content, very good. Let's have a look at the collection page as well, and then the product page, okay. So very nice. Products, 4 items per row. Those items would look even better with 3 items per row because your images are quite busy. So it will make those images bigger, will be less cramped, will be much better user experience, browsing experience, and so on. So but the product page looks great. Add to cart above the fold, SEO friendly product title. The product description could be unique because you still have got default descriptions, which is a giveaway sign you are dropshipping. So, people might recognize and they say, why won't I buy those products directly from a dropshipper because dropshippers do sell them directly to the public. Those descriptions can help you kind of hide the fact or mask the fact that you are selling that you are drop shipping. So and obviously unique descriptions can also help your SEO with keywords, with unique content, and with engaging descriptions. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.